Trevor Noah apologizes for India-Pakistan joke after backlash. The Daily Show host Trevor Noah clapped back and apologized after being criticized for telling a joke about the tensions between Pakistan and India that escalated over the past week. As the two countries fight over Kashmir state, Trevor made a joke on The Daily Show about what an India versus Pakistan war would look like. That would also be the longest war of all time, another number. After receiving backlash over his joke, Trevor responded by saying, "I am sorry that this hurt you and others, that's not what I was trying to do." He also pointed out how interesting it was that his joke trended more than the actual ongoing crisis. Sometimes it seems like people are more offended by the jokes comedians make about an issue than the issue itself.